Now when you subscribe to AutoCAD, you gain access to 7 specialized toolsets ready to download, including the mechanical toolset. This toolset was purpose-built to drastically speed up your mechanical design and drafting, with over 700,000 intelligent parts and features. Let's take a look at how the mechanical toolset in AutoCAD 2019 helps you work faster. For our first example, we're going to show you a common task: moving object layers. With the mechanical toolset installed, this can be done in just 3 steps. Start by selecting Move to another layer. Then select the object. And finally, select the layer and click OK. And simple as that, the layer has been moved. Now let's take a look at annotating mechanical parts with the toolset. You can forget about applying dimensions and adding text overrides. Simply select Power Dimension, then select the object, and finish by editing the dimension and using the Close command. One more example. Let's see how the toolset simplifies drawing accurate center lines. Once more, the mechanical toolset makes quick work of the task. All you have to do is select the Centerline tool, followed by the object, and end by placing the center line. Using AutoCAD 2019 with specialized toolsets, you're able to simplify tasks that used to be repetitive and time-consuming, allowing you to focus on the most important parts of planning and get even more out of the AutoCAD software you already love.